Correspondence between Chidambaram and A. Raja. This is when Chidambaram was finance minister and Raja telecom minister with regard to the sale of equity by Swan and Unitech to foreign companies. Both companies had received spectrum during the allocation, which they went on to sell. Well, for more on this, we're going across to Neha Khanna, who has been tracking this story very closely. Neha, what is the significance of this? And we do know that the Home Minister has always maintained that he did indeed give the go-ahead for the sale of that equity.
That's right, Gargi. Let me try and put this into context. Janata Party President Subramanian Swamy's contention for a long time now has been that Mr. Chidambaram is as responsible for the 2G scam as A. Raja, that Mr. Chidambaram should be made a co-accused in the case along with A. Raja. Now, he says that, spectrum was given away to telecom companies in 2008 at 2001 prices. That caused a huge loss to the national exchequer. Proof of that is the fact that these companies, Swan and Unitech, paid only 1,650 crore each for the spectrum and licenses that they got, and in turn sold their equity to foreign companies, Etisalat and Telenor, at much higher prices, in the process making windfall gains to the tune of 7,300 crores. That, according to Mr. Swamy, is proof of the fact that a huge loss was caused to the national exchequer. Then he goes on to say that it was Mr. Chidambaram who, in his capacity as the finance minister at the time, actually gave the go-ahead for the sale of equity, and therefore he is as responsible for the scam as Raja. And also in his petition before the special CBI court, Swamy had been saying that there is a particular file that contains all the correspondence between Raja and Chidambaram on this very issue. He says the CBI has been in possession of this file for a long time, but they have deliberately not placed it on record before the court in order to protect Mr. Chidambaram. That is Mr. Swamy's contention. Today, the special CBI court hearing the 2G case actually directed the CBI to provide Mr. Subramaniam a copy of this very file. According to Mr. Subramaniam, this file will help him prove his charges against Mr. Chidambaram, but we'll have to remember, Gargi, that yes, Mr. Chidambaram has gone on record to say that the sale of equity by these two companies in question to their foreign partners was above board, that there was nothing wrong with it. So we'll really have to wait and see whether Mr. Subramanian Swamy will indeed be able to prove his charges against Mr. Chidambaram.
Right, Neha.